Svelte Technologies presents advanced automation solutions. Your morning alarm rings on your voice assistant and the curtains and lights open up to a beautiful day. When you enter the washroom, the lights turn on automatically using advanced motion sensors and turns off when you leave the room. Press a button and the gates opens up automatically for you to drive your car out safely. When you're away, the house is protected using different sensors, which plays a siren when there is an unwanted movement around the house. When someone rings the doorbell, you can know the visitor and unlock your doors from inside the house. Wireless keypads give you the freedom to operate the lights in your room, which will help the elderly people, children and differently able to reach the switches. You can even control fans, air conditioners, televisions or any other appliances. When it's dark, the house lights turn on and the curtains inside the rooms and common spaces close automatically. This acts as added security to your house. When you head back home in the evening after a hectic day, your house welcomes by opening the gates for you. You don't need to carry the house keys with you anywhere, as you can unlock the doors using password patterns or even your fingerprints. All lights and devices are easily controlled from any mobile device as well, by making usefulness a top priority. In the morning, when the sun comes up, the house lights turn off automatically, making your beautiful home smarter in every way possible. Svelte Technologies, Urban Hive, Haldwani. www.svelte.co.il